Hey, welcome back here to lesson 4. This will be the final lesson in the third marking period, so we're halfway. This week, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be analyzing some fitness apps. So you're going to get to pick a fitness app and you're going to post your review on certain things a great fitness app has and certain things that you wish it had that it doesn't have and so forth. So you can see here the assignment is due March 20th, and then finally the discussions are due March 24th, and then that will be the end of the third marking period. So what you're going to do is you're going to read the article on how to develop a best fitness application. And what that's going to do is it's just going to talk about the fitness boom in 2015, and kind of how it's come about in the last 4 years and how it's grown and how the wearable devices market has really blown up and what that stuff uh, entails and what people look for for a fitness watch or a fitness app and a wearable device. Your wearable device is your heart rate monitor. So uh, maybe somebody wants to review Polar Flow or Polar Beat to for this assignment. Okay, so they're gonna talk about what a good app has and what certain things are important and what's not. So you're going to read through that, and then when you go through your app, you're going to kind of use that article and those suggestions as a lens to compare your app to. So where do you get all these apps? If you go into the health and fitness category into the Apple Store, it's going to take you here, and you can see here there are just tons and tons and tons of fitness apps. With this amount of fitness apps, we don't want anybody reviewing. We don't want two people reviewing the same app. So what you're going to do then is you're going to find an app that you want to do, and then you're going to call fives on it. So you can see right here, you got fives on it. It's gonna take you to a discussion board, and what you need to do is you need to pick your fitness app, and you just put your fitness app in there, and then other people can look through there and see what's already been taken, so they know not to take that same app. Okay, first come, first serve. All right, so then once you do that, you're just gonna maybe use it if you want to, or just play around with it, research it, and you're going to come up with a fitness review, an in-depth analysis. You can do it in text form, but I think it would be helpful to see what you see. So you're going to screencast the app. Okay, so you can screencast you going over it on your iPad, and you're going to use your voiceover, and then you're going to upload that review to the discussion board. Right. And then there's some guiding questions here. You can see here what I'm looking for. Make sure you hit those things, like I said, in depth. And because of Facebook's current crisis, and you can read about that there, we're clicking on that link. We want you to really look at security and privacy and see how well they protect your privacy. What kind of information are they gathering? That's really important for digital citizenship. Especially for kids, younger kids, and even for older teenagers and young adults and older adults too. Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing this week. Down here again, just quick links to I got fives on it, and then the review, and then these are the two materials you're going to want to look at, as well as the Facebook. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, I'll look forward to seeing your fitness app reviews.